3:17. Ryan Peterson's team was 62-30 yesterday. Let's see if we can crack into the 62s or better. Good luck. This is heat number 14. There's the home, the tide is underway. Lisa Junior Hall is in Cornelius. Oh my gosh. All right, well that's going to take it right out of three drivers right alongside each other. Lisa's Funeral Home, Ryan Peterson, number one yesterday, tagged the barrel today. That's going to be a little tough to outrun, but as they make their way down the line stretch, let's take them up. Kevin Garrett, Ryan Peterson, Lisa's Funeral Home ahead. Island, but he's got 5 seconds hanging over. We'll see. He's like to go out runner by a second at least as they make their way to that third corner. Let's take them up. Silver white shirts for Lisa's Funeral Home to the lead. Ryan Peterson's team ahead by a length. Curtis Longer and his G-Max set last in the second. And Dakota Snell, Larry Snell's team for Taylor